Thanks for checking out Pi-hole. Pi-hole is a Unity tool that allows you to synchronize a game object to an audio source. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can implement it in your game and how easy it is. So first in this tutorial, I'm just going to add a head object. Just something so the mouth has a background to be displayed against. And so here we go. I'm just going to center it at 0, 0. Alright, there was our delicious pie. Next, we're going to add a mouth object right on top of there. And there we go. There's a mouth object. There's a lot of different textures you can have that's included with it. Most likely you'll just want to add your own, but textures give you an idea of what kind of mouths you can add to make it kind of fun for the game player. So now let's just add a basic mouth like that. Now we're going to add a mouth synchronization script, and right on top of the mouth, there we go. Next, we need to add a sound, an audio source. So we're going to attach that audio source to either the Pi head or to the mouth. There's two just default sounds that are included with the tool, just to give you an idea of when you're playing with it, how the tool can work. So we're just going to add the audio source right on top of the mouth. So now you have the option in the mouth script to either use the audio listener or use an audio object. An audio object is just an object with an audio source attached. In this case, we have the mouth as the audio object, so we're going to drag that there, and we're going to uncheck use audio listener. The difference, there are two types of scripts. There's a lip sync and a mouth sync. Right now we're working on the mouth sync script. A little bit later I'll show you the lip sync. But with the mouth sync, pretty much the object will scale according to the sound playing. The lip sync will move the object. So lips kind of move up and down on the mouth, on the face, whereas the mouth grows and shrinks according to the sound. So here we have the mouth sync script. So we're going to just do that based on the y-axis. Here are the variables we can change. The level multiplier is how much the level will be adjusted. If you find your mouth isn't moving according to the sound, or just moving very little, you might want to increase this to impact how much the sound can really adjust the object. The start change is the level needed to begin to affect the object. The end change is the maximum or the last level that can be changed. Anything above that will be just set to that maximum value. And then the resting size is if the start change isn't reached, how big will the object be displayed. Alright, so that's just a short explanation. So let me just press play, and we can see how the object is being displayed on the scene. You can see it's starting to move. We go into the scene view. We can just see actually moving.
Now isn't that
the mouth
exciting?
Moving itself. We didn't
opening.
position it very well.
It's closing.
But as you can see, it is moving according to the
opening and closing, opening and closing,
source
opening
being played.
and then closing and opening, and it's opening, it's opening, it's closing, it's closing. Well, it'll not close when I'm talking, so it's hard for me to actually have it close when I say the word close. But enjoy.
And when it's done, it's going to just be displaying, or when the audio source is not playing, it's just going to be displaying the resting size. Okay, so now we're going to stop the playing. We're going to delete the mouth object. As I said, we're going to show you exactly how the lip object works as well. We included two sample lip objects. Really basic lips, not too pretty, but will do for our needs right now. So we're going to rotate one of them, so that one's a lower lip and one's an upper lip. We're going to add the lip script to the lips. There's one lip. There's the next lip. And we also need to add an audio source, since we deleted our audio source when we deleted the mouth. And this time we're going to actually add it to the Pi head. That way, we don't really want to have an audio source on each lip. We could have added it just to one lip, but we're just adding it to the Pi head in this case. It doesn't need to actually be on the object with the script. And so we're just going to, for each lip, we're going to drag the pi head into the audio object, and we're going to need to uncheck use audio listener since we want to use the audio source and not the scene's audio listener. One final thing we need to do is we need to tell the script that one of the objects is an upper lip so that it moves in the proper direction. And after we've done that, it's really ready to go. So we're going to press play.
Hello, I am a pie.
And as you can see again,
Here
it's
you
moving
can see
exactly with
my
the
pie hole
sound
moving.
being played. So
Now
that's
isn't
giving
that
the
exciting?
experience that
It's
someone's
opening.
actually saying the words
It's closing.
that are being said.
It's opening
In
and
this
closing,
case,
opening
pi
and
is
closing,
giving a nice
opening
little
and closing,
speech.
opening and closing, opening, and then closing and opening. It's opening, it's opening, it's closing, it's closing. Well, it'll not close when I'm talking, so it's hard for me to actually have it close when I say the word close. But enjoy.
And his speech is over. So that's pretty how basic it is. If you have any suggestions, if you want to see a little bit more, you could send me an email. My email is contact@praxical.com. If you run into any bugs, of course, contact me. If you have any suggestions of features you'd like to have added, of course, give me an email. Let me know what you'd like to see. But thanks for checking out the video.